Hey everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman. Welcome to this week's Minute with the Mayor. This week, we're talking about one of the fastest growing sports in America, fencing. This week, I'm here in Southlake with fencing coach Michael DeSaro, who's opened up a brand new Southlake Fencing Academy. Is going to teach us a little bit about the sport. Michael, thank you for joining us, man.
Absolutely, no problem.
Now, your history with this sport goes way back, including all kinds of Olympic experience. Tell us about that.
Well, I was in the team in '96. I coached in Beijing in '80. My father was on the team back in '64. My stepmother was on the team, so if I didn't make the team, they were going to kick me off the family.
Yeah, Olympic experience is just something that runs in your blood.
Yeah, we've been raised on it.
So tell us a little bit more about the sport of fencing and how young folks are getting involved in it.
Fencing is awesome. Now, I know here in Texas, I'm originally from New York and then California, and I know out here in Texas, it's a lot big team sports, football, baseball, basketball, but fencing is very much an individual sport. Fencing is really good for people who like strategy and to figure out puzzles. And kids are really getting into it now. They're finding fencing. They see it in the Olympics. They see it on TV once every 4 years, and they think it's the coolest thing. So they want to get into it. They want to try it. They tell their parents, and there really hasn't been a place to try it until now. So that's my goal, is to bring it out to the kids who really want to give it a shot and maybe use it to get into a good college, and just use it to build their self-esteem and self-confidence and strategic thinking.
So tell us about how Southlake Fencing Academy is going to integrate into the community. What sort of things are you doing to reach out?
Well, we're reaching out to all the kids and the parents and just letting them know that we're around, that it's a great alternative sport, that it's one of the safest sports in the world, and that there are paths that you can take to compete locally, regionally, nationally, internationally, and collegiately.
No. And with your experiences, including the Olympics and in your family, certainly you're the man to show them that path, which is really cool.
I hope so, yeah. That's my goal.
Well, we're excited to have you in Southlake. Now, I think you're going to try to teach me just a little bit about the sport today, right?
I'll do my best.
Okay, promise I'm not going to get stabbed?
I'm not promising.
Okay, all right. Well, we're going to give this a shot. Let's see how it goes.
Back here again. Cover right leg. Yep. Okay.
How do I look, Carol?
Perfect.
Boom. Now up top. Boom. Boom.
Take a line. I got that.
There you go. There you go. Good. Good. Ready? Good. You got time. There you go.
So thanks to Michael DeSaro for coming and joining us on Minute with the Mayor. As you can see, fencing is a really fast-paced, exciting sport. I hope you guys check out Southlake Fencing Academy and be a part of this growing sport. It's really exciting. Now, I think I have him exactly where I want him, so I'll see you next week on Minute with the Mayor.
On guard. Ready. Fence.